Hey, what's up everyone? This is Taillight Customs. Just want to say thank y'all for tuning in to the first video. Just want to introduce myself. My name is Jonathan. I do window tint, vehicle wrap, headlight, taillight tint, all that good stuff. So yeah, stay tuned. Follow my Instagram. It's Taillight Customs, JLE Customs. This is my decal here. This is exactly what my IG is. This is the Porsche 911. This is my mom's car. This is one of my guinea pigs on what I do all my testing on. Really, we did a roof wrap on her car, and then we did some window tinting. This is like my second car that I did tinting on. We did 20%, pretty dark. Looks pretty good. Not really any bubbles or anything like that. Looks great. Yep, no bubbles or anything like that. This is only my second car too, so it'll get better from here, of course. Roof wrap still looks good. You can't go wrong with the roof wrap at all. The black just pops on any car. And this is my personal car here. It's a 2018 Mustang. It's we wrapped it in light gray. This is my first ever full car wrap, so we did a light gray on this car. I'm planning on re-wrapping it soon, just because this is my first wrap, like I said, so it's not going to be perfect. Minor flaws here and there, not anyone's going to see, but as the wrapper, I know the flaws I made and just want to redo it so I can make it perfect. This is my IG sticker here. It's a full bolt-on car, Cook headers, E, tuned by Lund. Got bead locks, the Euros, some carbon fiber goodies. My car page is Taillight GT if you want to give that a follow. The brand that I use on this one is Cheetah Wrap. That's what I find is easy to use right now. I use them usually on my roof wraps, hood wraps, all that good stuff. Planning on doing some headlight tinting on this car too, using Lux film. Give it that sinister look, make it a little bit more aggressive. Even with the headlight tint, light output is still great. It's not anything to where the point where it'll be dark at night or anything like that. The light still shines through perfectly. Man, it looks good. Yeah, definitely want to try a color flip wrap soon. Something that'll pop out, stand out more at car meets and all that good stuff. So later today, I'm going to be having a Dodge Charger Scat Pack, I believe, coming in for some taillight tint. It's a guy I know personally. It's a wide body. It's on drag radios as well. It'll be the first Charger I'm doing taillight tint on, so y'all can see the before and after, and I'll try and show some tips and tricks if I can on the camera, basically to help some of y'all out that are trying to get into this thing as well. Yeah, I'll start recording again whenever it gets here. Here's a little update of the taillight tint. Before, it's really red, so we decided to black out the entire thing. Tuck as usual. It's important to post heat it just so that it doesn't peel in the future. Wrapped it around the sides and everything too. Definitely required a lot of heat posting, about post heating, sorry. So make sure it doesn't peel during the summertime or anything like that. It looks way more aggressive like this. We might be doing the headlights in the future just to give it all that, you know, darker, meaner look. Yeah, this thing is clean. Oh yeah. It's way better like that. What's up, y'all? We're at the Dark Knight Specialty Meets now. Jose, Andre Chris, Mateo, a couple other cars here. We're supposed to start at 7. So far it looks like a real slow turnout, but hopefully it picks up soon. This is an on-3 kit, single turbo. It's about 800 horsepower. Built by Midnight. On 3 Chris's car right here. Real neat. This is something I need too, the Cervini's grill. The only reason why I'm not getting it yet is because apparently the bottom piece pops out and it fucks up the entire bumper, but look at what they did. They bolted it down. That's smart. So that's something I may look into, because I'm getting tired of the look I have going on. Right now, it's just completely stock with an addition of a Performance Package 2 lip. I have the Performance Package 2 rear spoiler as well. There you go. Something subtle. I like this a lot more than the Performance Package 1 lip. Wing was way too big for my liking. So this is my girlfriend's car, Yazda 2IS. Wrapped it in pink about a month ago. Looks pretty good. We kept the mirrors gray to match with the wheels. Looks pretty good. We did a gloss black roof as well. Yeah. So this is my second full wrap. My Mustang was my first. Really good project. Helped me learn. It's a 2008 Lexus IS 250. This is the car that's finished right here. We did a gloss black roof wrap, and then we did the mirrors gloss black as well. It's an EcoBoost. Looks pretty good. Check out the mirrors. No bubbles, wrinkles, anything. Looks good. Here's the roof. It's all tucked in nicely, as you can see. Like I said, you really can't go wrong with the gloss black roof. It goes well in any car. Makes it pop a lot nicer. Yeah, it might be a meet tonight, so if there's one, definitely be recording that. Yeah, wraps up this car.